Hi, I am Maria Chaffin. I'm a founder and director of Seat of Life Montessori Academy here in Sarasota, Florida. I'm super excited to be in the Montessori event in Nashville. I will be there to present my workshop, Changing the View of Autism. I will be talk about how our preconceptions can often prevent us from seeing the real child that is hiding from the normal view. We will define how Montessori educators are able to meet the educational needs of the children with autism and their families, and how to build through personal relationships, tailoring the environment, and utilizing specific information. I look forward to seeing you at the Montessori event.